Imagine you're editing a new video, excited to add some random opaque text colors to make it pop. However, there's a pesky problem that keeps cropping up. Every time you try to use the font color equals random setting in FFmpeg, it gives you not only random colors but also transparent ones. These semi-transparent colors end up plaguing your video, making the text hard to read and the whole production look unprofessional. Frustrating, isn't it? In comes the solution to your color conundrum. According to the FFmpeg documentation, you can specify colors using the format 0x #RRGGBBAA. To ensure fully opaque colors, you can add an alpha value representing the opacity level. By providing a separate alpha value, regardless of using the random option, you can finally achieve those vibrant, solid colors you've been longing for. It's a simple yet effective tweak that can elevate the visual appeal of your videos instantly. Problem solved. In summary, by tweaking the way you define your colors in FFmpeg, you can effortlessly sidestep the issue of transparent text colors in your videos. This minor adjustment ensures that each random color you pick will be fully opaque, enhancing the overall aesthetic and readability of your text overlays. With this quick fix, you can now confidently create dynamic and eye-catching videos without the distraction of semi-transparent hues. And there you have a problem solved with a simple alpha value adjustment. Now go forth, create your masterpiece, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below with your favorite video editing hack.